Hi, my name's Alison. I'm going to take you through a tutorial about using resistance bands. There are various types of bands that you can get which have different levels and different intensities. So for example, I've got a few of them on the floor here, but generally speaking, when you've got a range of bands, your yellow ones are generally your lightest ones, and then they do go up in various colours from red to green to blue and all the way to black, which is a very hard intensity. So you've got to make sure you pick the right one that suits you. So I'm going to take you through a couple of demonstrations, a couple standing and seated, just to make sure that you're fully confident in what you're doing with the band. So the two types of bands I've got today. One band will have handles on, so it's easy to get a hold of. The other one doesn't. So when I come to show you each one of them, you'll see the separate sort of instructions that you have to do for it. Okay, so if we're using the one with the handles, make sure you've got a firm grip. So if we're standing doing an exercise, I can anchor that band down with one foot. And then when I'm pulling it, the band should feel fairly light. If I want to anchor it down with 2 feet, being careful as you're standing in, it should feel a little bit tougher. So then you can choose your level for progressing the exercise. I'll show you the seated one with the other band here. So with this one, make sure that you do wrap it around your hand and you secure it in, okay? Taking a seat, again, same principle, anchor the band down, it should feel okay, and then anchoring 2 feet in, it should feel that little bit harder. Have a look at your bands, see which level suits you, whether it's standing or seated with the exercise.